Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will be discussing a program in which we will be taking, let's say, name of the student, roll number of the student and marks of the students, and then we will try to display it. Okay, so this is all we will be doing today. Okay, so let's start our program. So the first is we will go step by step. We will not get everything. Okay, so let's say std io.h stdio.h. So this is okay. As we know, everything has to be in the main function, so we will write everything in the main function. We are going to have name, roll number and marks. Let me tell you, all these are different data types. Okay, so let me say name, let us say it is character, okay, and let us say it is of the character 20 right now. You can take whatever value you want. Roll number is going to be integer. Okay, so let me call it as a integer. Okay, marks can be float, like you can have percentage and all, so it can be. So these are the three data types we are working together. Now let us ask the user to enter the details. So let's say we are saying printf enter your name. So user will enter something. Okay, user will enter his name. As we know, we have supposed to save it. Being a character data type, let me tell you students, the specifier here we will be using with the C or S. We prefer S. Let me tell you, with character it is always better you give certain how much space you will be allocating to it. So let me just say 15 S. Okay, that much space it will take, and I want to store it in a variable which is called as name. So we will be writing ampersand. So you don't directly run the whole program. Now let us just say printf and see whether it is taking properly. So we can say your name is, remember here also we need the action specifier. Okay, so the action specifier, as we know, it is a character, so it is gonna be C or S actually, whatever you want, as we have taken S. Okay, comma name. So we're going to do that. So now let us just return the value first. Return 0. Let us see if it is working properly, if there is any error. Okay, enter your name. Let me just call it as Ashwini, and it is saying Ashwini. Okay, so it is giving me a problem over here. To solve that, I can put a control N over here. Let us see now. It is asking me to enter your name. I'll say Ashwini, and it will say your name is Ashwini. Fair. Okay, so it is working properly. Now as we know, the next we need to find is roll number. So let us write for roll number here. Printf, again we will ask enter your roll number. Okay, so here we know roll number basically is of the data type int. So we will make %d, right? And it has to be stored in a location which is called as, in a variable which is called as roll number. So we'll put it as roll number. And again you want it to be printed, so let me just print it that your, let's say, roll number is, okay, the data type has to be D here, and the variable that we will be calling over here is roll number. Okay, if you know that here you should also give a new line, or else it will give you an error. Okay, fine, let me run and show you. You're asking me the name, so I like to give my name. The roll number, let us say I'm saying 31. So see, as we have not given a new line character over here, it is giving a problem. So it is better we give a new line character here also, because two printf statements are coming together. So let's say your roll number, your name and roll number, and it has been displayed here also. Similarly, now what we need is marks. Marks is a data type that we have defined as float, so we have to make sure that it has been calculated properly. So we'll say enter your marks, and being float it has to be control F, and the variable that we are declaring here is marks. Okay, and now let us just print our output here. So your marks, we'll say R, and as it is float we will keep it as float, and here we will say marks. Remember, you will have to give control in because you are going to a different line. Okay, so now let us run the program. So it is asking you to enter the name. So let's say Ashwini, enter your roll number 31 marks. I like to give myself 98 or 98.0. Even if you get 98, see your name is Ashwini, your roll number is 31 and your marks is 90. So now this is a very simple program where we are trying to work with different data types. We are trying to take the input and we are trying to display the output. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. And also if you want a private tuitions for programming languages like C, Python or any IT or computer subject, so please comment in the video. Thank you so much.